got 3 names in this motherfucker. It's 3 days in this motherfucker. Oh, now you, bitch. I'm about to clear that you. We can live in close, thinking about you. Not thinking about you, but thinking about you. Really thinking about the truth. Going hard on the beat. Chef boy, I cheat. So deep. So deep. I'm 3 names and I said that you. Welcome to the clan, nigga. That you. Blackstone on the beat. Trap boy on the beat. We claim ESC. We throw the bin in the G. Call me ESC. I got a phone call. Who could this be? Hello, Dave. I'm gonna call you back. Cause I'm on the track. And it sound like that. Hey, I said, I'm gonna call you back. So don't say nothing. I'm gonna call you back. And I'm smoking on the set. I call it that. Bird with the fucking dreads. And I just got some waves. And I'm getting paid. I was full of drip. Now niggas, you get laid. But not by this. I got a 17 shot Glock fucking clip. And it can extend. Make a pussy nigga bend. Nah, you ain't my friend. Some man, nigga, where's my bin? Pulling up into the ground, where's the lens? I don't need no fucking camera. Just bama. And I got the hammer. They ain't find a fucking slammer. You won't catch me in the summer. But I do got the hammer. Hammer dog. I do that hammer dog. Then I switch it up and do the water slide. Watch your niggas drive. Cause you be so high. No, I'm not high. This is the side. Who I say? Chef Boy G. 3 names. 3 days. Smoking in the club. Yesterday. What the fuck? Bird hog. Look up. He flying high. He's so high. Who is he? That's high. They call me 3 days. Fuck with 3 names. Do it 3 times, 3 different ways. On the cellular prepaid. Cricket wireless. Let's record from the 10. The K. Don't act about it. I got that 100 round. And then go chocolate. And then go blocker. Fuck with Obama. First black president. He's a runner. Do the runner. I do the water slide. Do the deep that there. Then I get low. I'm going up like on the pole. But not stripper. No sweet hole. That's what I call a bag. Fit the money in the bag. I'm going in, not last. But I penetrate so fast. I beat it up. In the gut. Put it in her chest, and then she got her throat up. Choke her. With my stroker. I beat a bitch, then I choke her. Slap the whole round. Put that bitch straight on the ground. On the knees. If she please me. I be like, God damn it, ooh wee. It's feeling good. I love the head. 3 names want to get on the BS dead. So I let them take it there. But the beat done went off. Why they do it off? What I say? I'm on the beat with no beat. Okay, so what will I say? Let me fucking think. Think. That's for hoes. I know y'all fucking know. I love to blow. All at the shows. When I'm outside, I do the water slide. Then I do the dance. Watch the money dance. It ain't money dance. ESC dance. When we do it with no fucking hands.
girl on her knees doing it with no hands. I tell them noodles with hands, wash your fucking hands. Damn.